Fulton and Barr, yeah, one of the Upstate's most respected law firms where you get the personal attention. The two folks we're going to talk to, 40 years combined experience practicing law in South Carolina. So we introduce you to Valerie Fulton Andrew Barr, and you personalize a lot of things and you specialize in a lot of things. We're looking at workman's comp, personal injury, car accidents, product liability, and Social Security. Is there nothing else you can do during your day, Andrew?
Well, you know, we've been doing it for a long time, so we ought to be good at something.
Yeah.
What are you seeing when your phone rings? What's like the biggest thing people need help with?
I think people just need direction. You know, we're not talking to people. I usually, you know, if somebody calls the office, you know, the first thing you want to ask is, how are you doing? But the answer is, if you're calling a lawyer's office, not too great. Not too great.
It's like a doctor's office.
Exactly.
I've said that in the waiting room.
Right. Yeah. So the first thing is to just give somebody a little direction. And more than anything, you know, a lot of times people are calling us because they've been dealing with insurance companies already, or, you know, they're dealing with someone they feel like isn't listening to them. They want to feel heard more than anything else.
Yes.
And of course, a lot of these big law firms, if you call them, I guess you get handed off to somebody else and never talk to the name in the commercial. But you guys get personal. You talk to the clients to start with, at least.
Absolutely. I mean, we pride ourselves on doing that.
Sure.
We're a small firm, and we recognize that, but it has its advantages, and that is certainly one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and we never want, you know, we always want our clients to know that you can talk to us. You know, it is just a question of let's catch each other on the phone or in the office and meet and make sure that we're on the same page, because we do develop personal relationships with our clients, and it's always their case, but a lot of the times it feels like it's ours because we get to know them so well.
You get to know them, and that's the benefit of kind of being a smaller firm and living in, you know, this community that we live in. Like you know people.
Right.
Like the personal injury stuff, that's kind of self-explanatory. What do you do when it comes like to the Social Security disabilities?
So Social Security disability is for folks who have applied for Social Security disability already and they've been denied by the Social Security Administration. So as soon as you get your denial letter, you only have 60 days to appeal your denial. Otherwise, you've got to start over.
And you can oversee that.
That's right. And so as soon as you get a denial letter, call our office. I don't know for sure if we can help you, but I'm more than happy to talk to you and find out if we can.
I'm just wondering, a personal injury that you know, involves your employer, a job, you know, maybe. Because people do get fired when they get injured sometimes, and that's illegal, I'm sure.
Not allowed, right?
Would they rather be better to call you than talk too much to an employer or insurance company?
So really, you're talking about workers' comp, and that's if you're hurt at work, your only remedy against your employer is through workers' comp.
Okay.
And so that's a totally different animal, and it is okay to talk to your employer. What we would sort of tell people, you know, our preference is always, you know, communicate with your employer, because your employer's, you know, trying to make sure that you can work with the restrictions from your doctor. But insurance carriers are really who you're dealing with there, and that's kind of where the rub can come from.
Yeah.
I think that's fair.
Some people have lost jobs over that.
Yeah. And real quick, if somebody has, you know, already talked to an insurance company, maybe they've signed some stuff, and then they're like, I just don't feel like that was right. Is it too late for them? Can you still?
Well, you know, it depends on the certain situation. I would say give us a call and we'll see if it is or not.
Yeah.
Generally, it is not. They're not forcing releases that early.
Right.
But there are occasions where they do, and sometimes there's nothing we can do at that point.
And it's amazing how sometimes things go a little quicker when you're like, well, we'll just let my, you know, attorneys handle this. They're like, oh, wait, okay, never mind. Like, now all of a sudden they want to play.
You're fluent in Spanish.
I
so
am.
Spanish-speaking.
I can. I'm a proud product of Greenville County Public Schools, and I was actually I was one of the very first class of immersion Spanish at Blythe. So, see, yeah.
There you go.
I know that word.
Another reason y'all are amazing. Fulton and Barr, you see it, fultonbarr.com. Thank you, guys.
Oh my gosh, thank you for having us.